fun fishing here on Memorial Day. So, all rigged up, ready to launch. Let's see what we can find out there. To all the people who have served in the military, just want to say we appreciate your service. Thank you for all you've done.
Decent little one. Easy, brother. Come straight in the side of the mouth. Easy, easy, easy. Easy. Gotcha. Dang, bro. There we go. First one of the day. Little fella. Alright, I'm trying out a new jig. It's got a little rattle on the bottom. It's a Okeechobee Craw color. Okeechobee Craw is definitely my favorite. With a bandito bug in Okeechobee Craw. So this is going to be a new one for me. Oh, he hit that one hard. I haven't even seen him yet. Got another one out here. Let's put him back in the water. There we go. Oh, that's a good one. Better. Well, maybe not. He's fighting better. Well, I didn't get the catch. Oh, goodness. Didn't get the catch on. Ah, dude just flicked fish stuff in my eyeball. Come on, open your mouth. There we go. What a skinny guy. I didn't even know I had one hooked. Fish number 3, caught him on the fluoro flipping jig Okeechobee Craw with a Okeechobee Craw bandito bug. Moving. Oh, that's a good one. Definitely a good one. I haven't seen him yet. Oh, he's coming up. Oh, he went back down. Oh, yeah. Oh, he got off. Oh, you sucker. Fishy number 4. Caught on a fluoro flipping jig, Strike King, with a bandito bug, Okeechobee Craw trailer. Fishy number 5, caught on the Okeechobee Craw bitsy bug. Some really pretty color on this guy. It's a really nice green on his back. on a bad boy jig. A bad boy jig with a watermelon candy red. Sweet. I think this is fish number 7. Caught that on another same bad boy jig right there. The immediate next cast. Here you go, big feather. Actually, I'm gonna get him back. Got another little guy. Bad boy jig. I think I'm up at 8 or 9, I'm not sure which. Feisty. Just a little guy. Put it on that Guggen, floral flipping.